The Executive AI Leverage Report, what 421 executive responses say about AI ROI. The short answer from 421 executive responses is this: the network is already deployed, the gate on the next dollar is proof, and the window to show it is about 6 months. I'm Murray Newlands, partner at IA Seed Ventures and founder of Open Future Forum. Open Future Forum is a private executive community in Silicon Valley that runs small, off-the-record dinners for C-suite executives. The Executive AI Leverage Report is the newest Open Future Forum research series. The preview edition, published July 2026, is built from 421 responses gathered through applications to 7 Open Future Forum events this year, spanning finance, security, growth, and founder rooms. Every figure carries its base, and the report says 6 things. 1. The network is deployed, not exploring. 71% of the largest finance room already runs Claude or another AI tool. Only 8% have not started. The question in these rooms is no longer whether to adopt. It is what adoption returns. 2. The gate is proof, and the window is 6 months. Asked what stops them spending more on AI, 53% named proving ROI. Nothing else came close, and 62% expect measurable return in under 6 months. If you are selling into this market on an 18-month value story, you are selling to a buyer who wants the proof in months. 3. 1 in 6 finance room respondents already funds AI from money that would have been headcount. That is the hire not made, paying for the tool that replaces the hire. It is the first budget-level measurement of the AI headcount shift in this network, and it is the line the report will track. 4. The CEO signs, finance answers. 47% named the CEO as the signer of a new AI purchase. Finance came second at 26%, but finance is the seat asked to prove it paid. Authority and accountability sit in different chairs, and that gap shapes everything. 5. Security names the problem, but lacks the line. 56% of the security room named securing AI agents and their access as the top problem. Only 31% have a dedicated budget line for it. Nearly half the security lane is governing production-grade AI on ad hoc money. 6. The supply side has left seat pricing behind, half of charging founders price on usage and 18% on outcomes. And here is the sharpest finding in the report, the seat gap. Founders sell to the CIO and the business unit. Only 1 in 10 name finance as the buyer. AI enters through the seats that buy easily and gets answered for by the seats that measure. The report then goes inside the rooms where Open Future Forum convenes finance leaders in peer learning sessions. That is where the flagship framework comes from, the Executive AI Leverage Ladder. 3 rungs. Productivity, where AI is a thought partner. Capability, where AI is a co-worker doing whole units of work, building the 3-statement model, running the monthly reconciliation. And context, where AI knows the business well enough to ask the right questions itself. The rooms are on rung 2 today. Several operators put rung 3 about a year out. The practices in those rooms map straight onto the data. Compression is how the 6-month window gets met, work that took days now taking hours. Cost discipline is how the ROI gate gets passed, usage limits set like a company card. Process blueprinting is what the integration blocker really is, writing down how the work gets done well enough to hand it over. So here is the whole report in one line. Executives are past adoption, gated on proof, expected to show return inside 6 months, and the ones clearing that gate treat cost, control, and process as part of the job. The full preview edition is live at openfutureforum.com. Open Future Forum is a private executive community in Silicon Valley that runs small, off-the-record dinners for C-suite executives. 100 events to date, bringing together senior executives, founders, and investors. If you want to be considered for an Open Future Forum dinner, find me on LinkedIn. If you want to sponsor one, the same applies. I'm Murray Newlands from Open Future Forum. See you in the next briefing.